Back, y'all. What's happening? Today we are going to be cleaning out this refrigerator and the freezer. So let's get right to it. I have these bags here prepped and ready to go. So what I'm gonna be using to do this today is some paper bags and a plastic bag. I got this paper bag wrapped in plastic, and I'm gonna put it in to the next paper bag, just like so. And then I'm gonna fold these flaps over. So let me get some scissors, cut that. I'm doing this on the fly, y'all. I use what I got to get done what I need to get done. And right now, I need to get rid of some of this food that is in the refrigerator that has just got to go. Boom. So now I'm just gonna fold these flaps down, get them out of the way like that. Fold this over the outside, this one on the inside, and then I'll fold this one on the outside again. Then once I'm done filling it all up, I'll probably flap these down inward, but for now I'm going to put a little bit of tape on the flaps. It's unnecessary, but I'd rather do more than what I need to do than do too little. So I'm just gonna put this little flap here, keep that out of my way while I'm loading it up. When y'all clean out y'all refrigerator, how do y'all do it? This is my way. The number one reason why I'm doing it like this is because I want to compost this, or my housemate usually will compost. So I'm gonna do it in this form so that if they want to compost, they have it ready. But I need to clean this out today because I have so many other things that I need to get done. I'm starting a new school schedule. I'm going back to school to do some more skills trade work. So I'll be going to Wake Tech Community College. I literally start today. It is August the 4th. Got some grapes here. Y'all want to come a little closer? Let me bring y'all a little closer. Bring y'all a little closer here. Hold on. Okay, but let me give y'all a tour of what's in the freezer. So some things are staying. I made these ramen packs last week, so these are still good. I need to eat more vegetables, so whenever I make ramen, I just toss a veggie pack in there. These is some squash. I might use this today in my cabbage wraps, so that can stay. This is some old meal prep, got to go. You see it's frostbite, old meal prep, got to go. It's not even a label on it. Those fruit are good, those fruit are good. Going, old meal prep, gone. That's all good. We'll leave this for now. Let's see, anything else? What's this say? For veggie stock, so we'll leave this for now. This was put in here, no, January, it's gotta go. This is the curry that I made recently in July, so that can stay. What else is here? That's good. That's good. That's trash. We got some more trash. These things are good. Leave that here. Uh-oh. Then I'll put this up top. That's good. Then over on the side, I got some rice. I'll put this with the curry. So that's good. Broccoli, just put it over here so we can see it. That's good. And then all these must go. They tasted really bitter. So all that's gonna go. This stuff up here is some, I honestly don't know what this is. So we're gonna let it go. These things are some beauty products that my housemate made, so I'm gonna leave that for them to figure out what to do with. This again, it's been here for way too long. Frostbite must go. So let me get all this on the counter so I can close this freezer up. Those dishes will be in the next video. We're gonna clean the kitchen, clear the table, and organize this area over here. All right. Y'all, this is just the freezer. We still gotta go through what's in the refrigerator. Should I make this a two-parter? The freezer is cleared. I'll show you at the end both the freezer and the refrigerator for the final product. But we're gonna speed through this, so enjoy this time lapse. Now that we breezed through that, it's time to take a look. All right, so it's not too much in here. I think it's mainly these sauces that are up here. Probably get rid of that drink. I'm cooking this turkey and chicken today. Let's see if this is still good. This is the cabbage I was gonna make today. Yeah, I think I just cut off the bottom of that, and that's good. Then I got some cabbage leaves that I prepped as tortillas. Yep, so that's all good. We're gonna cook that today. Make sure that doesn't go bad. And everything else in here should be good. We're gonna get rid of that. I'll eat these fruit now. I'll wait, make sure my roommate doesn't want that drink. But this top shelf, except for this, because I know I just had some Wingstop, they have the best ranch. I'm gonna use that as part of the sauce for my cabbage wraps. And then, yeah, just gotta get rid of that, and that's it. All right, we just have a few things here from the refrigerator, as you saw. Get out of here. Let me grab a spoon. The sauces, I'm just gonna put those in a baggie and toss those in the trash. I'm not gonna put it in this bag with the, because it's gonna make it messy and too wet, and it's already gonna be a bunch of water in this bag. And I'm still contemplating if this will go to compost or if I will just toss it in the trash. Which compost I don't think is until Saturday. So I'm gonna reach out to my housemates, see if they want to wait till Saturday. If not, I'll go ahead and toss it, because it is Tuesday. And honestly, I was in the mood to get this done. I wasn't really in the mood to be waiting around. So that's why I'm just doing it now. This is mold. I'm not gonna put that in there. Just gonna toss that in the trash. Those were some seeds, but we're not gonna get to it. So, and also, I would love to keep these containers, but we have collected way too many of them. So we're gonna get rid of these containers this time. Trying to downsize a little bit, so it's gotta go. This drink has been in there for over a week. Sorry, housemate, if you wanted it, it's gone now. I did warn my housemate that I was, or inform them that I was doing this. And I asked them, is there anything that you want? They said no. So I got free range to let it all go. We're gonna pour these down the drain. And that's it. We are done. That is what's in the bag. Now I can take these little flaps here. Boom. Boom. Actually, pull that over like so. Can I salvage it? Yay. So I think if it's closed up like this here, we can wait till Saturday. So I think this will be all right till Saturday. I'm going to send them a picture, make sure they're okay with it. I can even push it down further into the plastic. And now it's nice, tucked away. Now let me show you what the refrigerator and the freezer. So we got the freezer, it's nice and organized, and the refrigerator is nice and empty, and will be further emptied once I get to cooking video, where I'm going to be making some cabbage wraps and another meal prep. I don't know exactly what it is yet, but if you want to know how to make cabbage wraps, come on back. I might also do a dirty cabbage Alfredo. I've been seeing that a lot on the interwebs. So let's get in the kitchen. Let's get to cooking. Thank you for organizing and cleaning up with me and being just accountability partners. And I'll see y'all in the next one.